My heart is saying अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Born Homey Tales, and today's video is going to be about jewelry collection. So today I'm going to show you what collection I have, and due to pandemic I'm home, and so I don't have that much jewelry with me right now at home, but yeah, whatever I have I'm going to show you today. So let's get to the video. लेट मी क्लियर वन थिंग, जो भी आप अभी ज्वेलरी देखोगे इस वीडियो में वो सब मेरी मम्मी ने अपनी चॉइस की बाय की है, एंड दे आर वेरी स्पेशल फॉर मी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. दिस वन इज द फर्स्ट ज्वेलरी. Look how colorful. I love colorful jewelries, and especially silver jewelries I love the most, and it looks so beautiful even on ethnic or even your casual tops. It looks so nice. So the second set is also a colorful one. This one, they are like jhumkas. Now look at this. They're so beautiful, so gorgeous. Even on this top, they are looking so pretty. My God, I forgot to tell you price range. So all jewelries will be in the price 100 to 200, or maybe some are 500. That much only. Okay, this another one is this one. This one. So if you wear sari on the top, or you can say on kurti, and you wear this one, it looks so amazing. They were looking so gorgeous on that sari. Oh my God, it's really amazing. Okay, so as I told you guys already, I love silver jewelries a lot. So here is one more set of silver jewelry, and it has peacock. So this one is that. It looks so pretty, chota and so cute. So again, I'm crazy about silver jewelry and peacock. So anyone want to gift me earrings, choose peacock design, cause I'm so crazy about silver jewelry and peacock design. Oh my God, you can't even tell them. So pretty. And now I'm going to prove you how much crazy I am about peacock design, because there are two more sets I have of peacock design, and my mom knows that. So I think it's genetic or hereditary something, but my mom also loves peacock design. Look at this. The feather design, peacock feather design is here. What I love about this earring is color combination. They are so pretty. See, red, blue, green, yellow. So you can wear on any top, or else any ethnic kurti. Well, it's true that I love to wear ethnic jewelry on any top, on jeans, or like that combination I like. But even now I'm wearing this one. It's like a tushy, and I'm wearing on top. Well, this one is my mom's. It's not mine, but okay. So another peacock design set is here. This one. See, this one is peacock. Little peacock, if you can see. Oh, I don't think you can see. See this one, like this looks so pretty. Jhumka gira re. Okay. Now another one. It is not mine, my mom's, but I use it for my photo shoot once. It is like this. Okay, but I don't know how to use it. I just used it like this. Tangle earrings. You can see. Oh. So lamba. Tangle earrings. What I'm doing, I don't know. I don't know how to use this, but I like it this one. So. Okay, so now only 2 earrings remaining, and that I actually use for my regular photo shoot or video shooting. This one, these two. this one is this two plural. So okay, if you ask me about choosing any one, I'll go for this oxidized one. I love silver oxidized jewelry. I don't know why, but I don't like gold jewelry a lot. This one is also silver. Okay, I want to buy good nose pin like this. तो आई वॉन्ट नोज पिन लाइक दिस ओनली, बट उस पर कुछ ना कुछ लिखा रहता है माल. ओके, नॉट माल, संस्कृत में कुछ तो लिखा है. तो प्लीज लेट मी नो, कमेंट डाउन बिलो वेर आई कैन बाय सच नोज पिन्स. Now I'm coming to necklace. I have only 3 pieces excluding this one. This one is borrowed from my mom. Okay fine, so I'm going to show you. एक मिनट, उसका सेटिंग बिगड़ गया है, बट इट इज, दिस वन इज वेरी नाइस. यू आर गोइंग टू लाइक इट. सी दिस वन, इट इज डायमंड एंड इट इज इन गोल्ड, बट स्टिल आई लव दैट. बट इसको पहनने के लिए किसी की हेल्प की जरूरत है, तो क्या शादी कर ले. जस्ट किडिंग. ओके, लुक एट दिस, हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इट इज. आई एम टोटली लविंग इट. Then next necklace is this one. It is very good. You can wear it like this also, like this, or else like this. So it is looking pretty on this top also. After wearing this, Hare Krishna Hare Ram. Okay, let me try this. Array, it is looking pretty on this. Yeah, it is looking nice on this. Okay. And the last one is this one. So, but it is party wear most of the time. There is no party. Corona ja. Alright, that's it for the today. But my heart is saying, अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं. Still, it's bye to you and miss me. I'll be coming with more fun videos with more good content. I hope so. You are liking my content, and if you really like my content, then please like, comment and share. And yeah, it's bye bye then. See ya.